All going traders, Yardi traders here again, man. So this is Friday, and the Friday, as I mentioned from early in the week, it will be a little bit flat, nothing too exciting. But we got what we're looking for. As you can see, the trend downwards in terms of the range downwards was broken, and we got a pop up right out after at the end of the range here. So we got out of this little downward trend. So, would have hope that you would see a sharp push up back to retest this horizontal resistance here. But at least it's better than the stock dropping. That, as I mentioned, if it's gonna drop, it will drop around here. So, let's watch and see what happens for the rest of the today. Maybe still a little bit flat. But as I had mentioned, the open interest was low for this week. So it's next week when the open interest in terms of calls should be a little bit better. All right, so let's take a look and see what's going on with on Yahoo Finance. Yeah, so the stock came down a little bit, went back up overnight. So basically flat. The market cap was around the same. Yes, sir. I think it was about 317 million. Market cap was about the same. Volume low compared to average. There was a news that Muln hires Donald Brathwaite as VP of Commercial Sales, previously head of Western Region for Ford Commercial Sales. So, yeah, positive, a little bit positive news there, but not earth shattering. At least that shows that the company is looking to grow. So, as I mentioned before, we're looking for maybe next week for the stock to move and move prior to earnings. Because usually, the stocks would usually move prior to earnings, and by earnings date, then it would either fall, come back down, but usually you would have a little bit of run before earnings. So let's look and see what's going on with the options. So same as basically the same as yesterday. In terms of calls volume versus the put volume. Open interest. Well, this will be all open interests will basically be closing off today. So it's around the same for the 9th, for the 16th, 13,000, which is about four times the amount for the 16th. The 23rd, 11,000. So basically it's trending along the same pattern, no changes there. So yeah, so I would say typically a quiet enough week, nothing exciting. We have now gotten out of the downward range, I think. So let's see if we can start looking at the stock moving up next week. But the critical thing is we want to get through this resistance, this heavy resistance here. That's a critical thing. So if I zoom out, this is the resistance that we're looking at, the old support. Okay, we want to see if we can get through that. All right, so as usual, I'm keeping it short. That's it for today, and enjoy your weekend. And as per usual, if you like this type of content, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, people, so you get early notification. All right, so take care.